Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by diagnosing why Gmail is not receiving emails right now. Check Gmail storage and confirm you have under 15 GB used. Open Settings and review filters and forwarding sections for any rules that reroute messages. Confirm your account is not compromised and change the password immediately if you see unfamiliar activity. Also check the spam and all mail folders for missing messages you expect. Finally, inspect the send mail, as, and POP/IMAP settings for misconfigurations that might stop delivery. Next, apply common fixes to restore incoming mail flow fast. Disable any filters or forwarding that block or reroute mail to other accounts or folders. Ensure POP and IMAP are enabled if you use external mail apps that sync messages. Free up space by deleting large attachments or emptying spam and trash so new mail can arrive. Remove any blocked addresses from your settings and check the sending limits to avoid temporary restrictions on mail receipt. Save changes and allow 5 to 10 minutes for propagation. If basic fixes fail, perform advanced checks to pinpoint the problem quickly. Review Google account security for recent device or app access and remove any suspicious third-party apps. Check MX records in your domain control panel if you use a custom domain to ensure they point to Google servers. Test delivery by emailing from different providers and check message headers when available. Contact Google support or your domain host after 30 minutes of troubleshooting if emails still do not arrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.